RV owners, welcome back to another episode of RV Buying Tips with a Tech. Today I'm coming to you guys with another great tip on something you should be doing when buying your new RV. And this one has to do with your walkthrough. Now, I've said in plenty of other videos that if your dealer is not willing to give you a full walkthrough or at least check everything out, you should probably just walk away from the deal. Most good reputable dealers do something called a walkthrough, which is where they have the unit all opened up, full of water, plugged in, and then you can come through and check it out. But that walkthrough is more about you learning about how to use the unit. They're showing you all the features and all that fun stuff, but that is also your time to be doing an inspection. So today's thing that I want you to pay attention to on your RV when doing your walkthrough is move it. Now again, a lot of them will have it all set up like this. The awning open, the slides open, and they're walking you through the inside. Now the dealer I worked at, a lot of times what would happen is they would do their walkthrough and then a technician would close the unit up, get all the slides closed, the awnings closed, and get it ready to hook up to the vehicle and leave. But you guys aren't there for that part. Remember, it was all opened up when you got there, and then it was all closed up for you in some cases. But my advice to you is to move it yourself. I want you to go and actually press that button and make sure that that awning opens and closes. Same goes for that slide room that was already open. Go ahead and press that button and make sure that slide moves. And here's the thing, from time to time, something might not sound right. In your head, if it does not sound right, have them look into it. There's a lot of times too that they're gonna tell you that's completely normal. If your gut instinct is telling you, no, that doesn't seem normal, do not take the unit. Because once you take it, it's no longer their problem, it's your problem. Even under warranty, they're under no obligation to get you in quick. Remember, that is their goal, to get you out the door. Now you can use the move it for everything. Open and close doors. I can't tell you how many times I've seen someone coming back the next day for warranty claims that doors don't latch, drawers don't latch, cabinets don't latch. Move that shower door. On that same note, count that in for things like this. Move it, open things, turn things on. In all honesty, no walkthrough person or salesperson is going to be able to show you everything in that short amount of time anyway. You're gonna have to figure out all the features and how they all work on your own. Take that time to press every button, push every switch, open every door, close every latch, turn on every TV, make sure the fridge is cold, make sure the stove lights, make sure the microwave turns on. See where I'm going? Don't try and learn how to use your RV. Make sure the RV is in good shape. That's actually way more important. Now, you would find all this stuff if you had a third-party inspection. I know a lot of people are still very against paying for that, so at least you could do it yourself and make sure it all works before you sign paperwork and take those keys and take it home. And if a dealer doesn't want you to do that, well, you guys know what I'm going to say there. It's probably time to find a new dealer. And if you guys want to see more tech tips, tricks, and even some tours in RVs like this one, make sure you guys press that subscribe button.